Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This stunning two-story home is set on almost quarter acre of land. It is located in Greenvale, Manchester, just 10 minutes outside the town center of Mandeville and approximately 50 minutes from the new toll road. The property is completely fenced with reinforced concrete wall and security gate at the front. The owner lives overseas and is motivated to sell. Thus, the property is priced at a low cost for a quick sale. This modern designed home enjoys abundant natural light with a layout designed for easy living. Upstairs, you will find two bathrooms, three bedrooms, including an enormous master bedroom suite with tray ceiling and porcelain tiles, spacious walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with large jacuzzi and wide double vanity. Also, open concept dining and kitchen and living room with tray ceiling, chandelier and surrounding recessed lights. The lower floor comprises of a living, dining and kitchen combined, two bedrooms and two bathrooms. Both floors have their own water and electricity meter. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.